bakit Diyos pa ang kaagaw ko? So there was silence. Then, composing himself, he said,
I never dreamed
Nandyan na yan. I will give you 1 year to try the life of a sister. Just 1 year. However, so he continued. However, if you decide otherwise, or you found out that you are not for the sisterhood or for the convent, then you know where to find me. I will be right here waiting for you. Remember that song of Richard Mars, Right Here Waiting for You. Okay. Fast forward again. The day came that I need to enter the convent. My boyfriend on that day, carrying my bags, brought me to the convent to start my formation. The sisters were there to welcome me, and I introduced my boyfriend to them. Their facial expressions were beyond words to describe. When he, my boyfriend, left, one of the sisters asked me, "Magmamadre ka ba talaga, Jovi?" I just smiled. In my heart, I was saying, "Lord, please, let me give myself a try. If I am not for here, then I will leave the convent, go back to my work." Anyway, my boyfriend is still there waiting for me to go back to him. To make the story short, 1 year came. December 26 to be exact. True to his word, after a year, he came to the convent in Quezon City and asked me my final decision.
Oh my God.
I did not answer him right away. He looked at me from head to foot because I was already in white veil and in white habit. A young, beautiful novice. That was me. I was the one who asked him, "How do you look at me now? How would you assess me with my looks?" For some time, he stared at me, looking straight into my eyes, and said in a slow and soft voice, "Alam ko, you are happy where you are now. Just stay here. Mas mabuti na lang dito ka na kaysa mapunta ka pa sa iba."
My God. Grabe.
Then he said again, "Remember always our theme song." Our theme song that time was "Somewhere Out There."
Huh?
Allow me to read verse 2 of that song because he sang it for me. Somewhere out there, someone is saying a prayer. And even though I know how very far apart we are, it helps to think we might be wishing on the same bright star. And when the night winds start to sing a lonesome lullaby, it helps to think we're sleeping underneath the same big sky, somewhere out there. Ako yun, Jo. said to me. Okay, the word Joe, it is the name he usually calls me. And it's the only one he can call me Joe.
Oh my God.
He stood up, and as he started walking towards the door, he whispered, "Indeed, we have the right love at the wrong time." By Barry Manilow.
Oh my God.
So those who know that song, "We Have the Right Love at the Wrong Time," he was singing that to me when he came to visit me. I embraced him for the last time, trying to control my tears. But a sister was there around. Still holding back my tears, slowly I accompanied him outside the door. Before he left, his last words to me, quote and unquote, "Hindi na kita guguluhin, Joe. Stay where you are. But if you decide to leave the convent, nandito lang ako, naghihintay sa iyo."
Oh. Baby. Launa. Launa dos. Sugusagin.
Dito lang. Okay. And he added again, I will be, after he had said, "Nandito lang ako, naghihintay sa," "I will be right here waiting for you. You know where to find me." And he said, for the last time, "I love you very much, Joe."
Oh my God.
Okay, I will continue. Dili pa tapos. My eyes followed him until I can no longer see him. True to his words, he waited for me to have my final vows until he decided to settle down. I invited him, but he did not show up. Through our common friend, he just extended his congratulatory words. Since then, we have not seen each other, neither did I hear from him. That was 38 years ago. And here I am, still in the convent serving the Lord.
Grabe.
I do still remember him and always pray for him that with whatever life he has chosen, true enough, he was a gentle and noble man who gave me up for a higher value. He sacrificed his happiness in order to offer me to the Lord in the religious missionary life. And I thank God for that. I thank God for him. God builds grace upon grace. May my vocation story inspire you to serve the Lord. With Saint Ignatius of Loyola, let me pray my favorite prayer of generosity. Lord Jesus, teach me to be generous, to give without counting the cost, to fight without counting the wounds, to work without seeking rest, and laboring without expecting any reward than the knowledge that I do